Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is about removing the browser scam that comes from the site differead.com. Differead.com pop-ups may start attacking Google Chrome and possibly other browsers. I have seen two versions of these pop-ups. One of them displays pretty scary alerts mentioning that your computer is infected, and the other version of these pop-ups tries to trick people into subscribing to their multiple advertisements in the form of push notifications. Now, remember that both of these versions of pop-ups are dangerous. If you start interacting with this particular version, you may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see other types of these pop-ups trying to make you click on the Allow button, it means that after clicking on that button, the browser will be hijacked. You will start receiving a lot of advertisements in the right part of your screen. To remove these ads, you should fix your browser immediately, and you may access the menu, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go to Permissions, select Notifications. If you see any malicious sites here, you should click on this button and remove the junk sites from the list. This should fix the issue very well. And to make sure that your device is free of any other concealed threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.